All right, guys, I just want to do just another video to kind of wrap some of these concepts up. So one of the things that you'll notice about the salivary glands is that we don't really have many models that show all of them, right? The main one that we have here is the parotid salivary gland, which is near the masseter, if you remember your muscles. But you really can't see the submandibular gland or the sublingual gland, right? So just kind of keep that in mind. We really don't have a model to show you. But if I were to show you here, this is where this was in class, and you can see that this is that parotid gland that we were just talking about. But submandibular would be right under the mandible, and then right under the tongue would be the sublingual, right? And it's kind of in the word, like sublingual below the tongue, and submandibular, like slightly below the mandible here. And then this will be your parotid salivary gland. So parotid salivary gland, submandibular salivary gland, and sublingual salivary gland. And of course, you don't have to say salivary. You could easily say sublingual gland, and that is just as fine. If we're moving over here, and I'll just kind of do it this way, you have your right lobe and your left lobe. And if you look at these structures, these are going to be your hepatic ducts. And then this will be here your common hepatic duct. And then this will be your cystic duct. Will go to your gallbladder. And then coming off of this would be your common bile duct. Right? So this common bile duct actually goes all the way down. And you can see this common bile duct go all the way down. It merges with the pancreatic duct to go into the duodenum here. And so you can see here that these two hepatic ducts would be attached to this liver here. So hepatic duct here, common hepatic duct, cystic duct leading to the gallbladder. After the cystic duct is called the common bile duct. So make sure you don't confuse common hepatic duct and common bile duct, right? They're very similar, sounds alike, right? And the common bile duct goes all the way down to the duodenum, but it merges with this pancreatic duct, right? So again, you don't need to know it for this lab, but bile helps keep fats emulsified or in solution, right? If you didn't have bile, you would poo out oil, right? And the pancreas puts out pancreatic juice, which helps us digest fats, lipids, and well, fats and lipids are the same thing, but lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins, right? So, and you kind of think of it as called the common bile duct because the cystic duct merges with it, the pancreatic duct merges with it, and the common hepatic duct merges with it, right? To actually go into the duodenum, which is right here. Okay. All right. I think that is it. If you need any other help, just let me know. All right. Oh, wait a minute. Do I have something else I want to talk to you about? Oh, one last thing. Oops. So if you look up here, so if we were to ever ask you what this structure here is here, this is going to be your falciform ligament, right? And in fact, there's only one ligament. So really, if you see anything that's white on the liver, just say, hey, that's a falciform ligament, right? Which is going to be here. And of course, this would be your right lobe and your left lobe. If I turn this thing over, I know this is super confusing, right? But if you look here, stop. I'll just kind of do it this way. This would be your gallbladder. This would be your cystic duct. These are the hepatic ducts, but don't really worry about that. We likely wouldn't ask you that. All right, I think that's it. If you need any other help, let me know. All right, bye.